CNS, true or false? Let me see if anything changed. Okay, most of you say true. And answer is true. Because is this CNS? Is the green or the blue and the red, are these CNS neurons? Negative, they're peripheral, right? But they go to the gray matter here, agree? With these synapse. And so I call that black neuron the interneuron. So therefore, interneuron must be in the CNS. Are we CNS here? Yeah, we're spinal cord territory, aren't we? So yes, interneuron must be in the either spinal cord or brain. It cannot be in the peripheral nervous system. Make sense? Okay. Now, so that's a reflex. What's the opposite of a reflex? Well, you gotta go to the brain. Require thinking to the brain. Okay? So opposite of a reflex where you don't think, the other one is you do think. At this point, I'm going to change this a little bit. The interneuron will go up. See, with synapse here, the interneuron will go up. Because where's the brain? Up here, right? Goes up. Now, this is the cell body. As it go up, what part of the neuron is that? Leaving the cell body is going to go into the neuron, has a cell body, and then it becomes axon, right? Axon. Do you think the axon will be in the white matter or the gray matter? White. Why? Because axon tends to be good, myelinated. So we're going to call that ascending column. Does that make sense? So this will go up the ascending column. Ascending column. So we start here in the CNS, gray matter, and then the axon will go up the ascending column to the brain. What part of the brain? It depends. It depends on what information it's getting. Okay. It go to the frontal lobe, temporal lobe, parietal lobe, whatever. Okay. And then the brain decides what to do with it. Let's say the brain said, we're going to have to move our body. So then another interneuron, right, a bunch of interneurons in between, sends it down the descending, okay, sends it down descending, because where there's an ascending, there should be a descending, agree? Then it goes down the descending column, and when it gets to the correct level of spinal nerve, it will synapse. It will synapse at the correct spinal nerve. And then you have the motor neuron at the anterior horn. And then you have motor neuron leaving anterior rootlet. Okay? Break that down. So sensory information comes into the spinal cord, agree? Via the what? Via the sensory is always posterior. It's going to synapse where? Posterior horn, right? And then it's gonna go up to the brain, so going up is ascending. And it's gonna synapse in the brain probably more than one place, okay, because it's complicated. All right, and I don't need you to know all the details, but just know that your brain has to think about it. So it's gonna synapse probably more than one place. Once the brain decides what to do, it's going to send it down, right? The neuron starts up here, axon goes down. What's down? Descending column. Remember, when we say column, it's always, is it white or gray matter? White. Because it's myelinated, right? So the axon sends it down, descending column, and at the right level, spinal cord level, it will synapse at the anterior horn. Right here. Okay? Anterior horn. And then it will exit out, what? Exit out the anterior rootlets, anterior root, spinal root. Do you see the pathway? So I'm going to ask you, trace the pathway of whatever, and then give you 10 things to rank. Okay? That makes sense? I'm backing up. Let's do that right now. I'm going to erase all of this, and you do it. Rank all of this in order. So, go ahead. So, take out a scratch sheet of paper. So, what I just talked through, you're going to write it down. Okay? Make sure you got it. Or do you want me to give you a list and then you order them?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like that better.
Yeah, you can use a whiteboard if you like, you know, instead of using scratch paper. The whiteboard you can erase easier, okay? So yeah, your choice. If you want to use a whiteboard, help yourself. If you want to use scratch paper, help yourself.
Where's the white?
Okay, but here's a question that I would
I
definitely want you to
volunteer.
know.
We don't need it. So you're gonna attach notes for us on the video too?
So no one wants any whiteboard, huh?
Let's see if I can.